9 tips to make your home safe during a vacation. When you're on vacation, the last thing you want to worry about is whether your home is safe or not. Here are some tips to make sure that your home is secure while you're away. Tip number 1, install a swing lock on your door with a key for emergencies. The most important thing to do before leaving town is to ensure that no one can easily break into your house. Tip number 2, leave a note on the door so people know someone is inside and contact information if they have to break in. Telling your neighbors you are out of town and providing them with some sort of contact information in case an emergency happens should be noted. Tip number 3, turn off utilities. Gas, water and electricity. This may seem like a no-brainer, but you would be surprised by how many people forget this step. Tip number 4, park your car in the driveway or garage to deter theft or vandalism. Tip number 5, make sure screens are locked and anything that would provide easy access into the house is locked up tight. Tip number 6, hire someone to look after the place for you. Tip number 7, invest in good insurance. So if anything unfortunate does happen, you will be covered for it. Tip number 8, make sure you leave your home in immaculate condition. Tip number 9, and finally, make sure your mail is picked up and taken inside to prevent any information from being stolen. While you're away, burglars may see your home as an easy target. By following these tips, you can help keep your home safe and secure while you're away. If you have questions about Locksmith services in Miami, don't worry. My Locksmith Miami can help you make your home safe and secure before you leave. Contact us today for a free consultation at 786-777-8214.